I'm on Reddit today and a guy asked, what will marketing look like in 5 years? So I'm gonna do my prediction. This guy says many business owners would propel from the rooftops like Tom Cruise in Mission Impossible if they could get their hands on the next big marketing trend to skyrocket their business. What I wanna say here is the way we receive our message in terms of like communication might change. There might be another big platform such as something similar to TikTok. We all know 5 years ago TikTok exploded. However, I believe the way people communicate in 5 years will stay the same. And here I'm gonna address the elephant in the room, which is AI. I believe will make marketing accessible to more and more people. For example, if you start using AI today and if you really learn how to use AI, you could do your marketing tasks twice or even 4 times faster. For example, if you want to create a script for a YouTube video, if you want to come up with YouTube idea, it's so easy. You can go on ChatGPT and you can create a script within minutes. AI in marketing will shortcut how we do labor and how we work on tasks. Right now, if it took me, let's say, 11 days to write a sales page, for example, I could do the sales page maybe in 1 day. If I get the process really dialed in, I could be super efficient and I can create products, I can launch books, I can launch online courses, I can do crazy stuff with AI. However, I want to say something that is very important because we all know that marketing is changing. We saw how we moved. We had MySpace, then we had Facebook, now we have TikTok and we have AI. So this is the evolution of marketing. But one thing that will stay the same is how people communicate. People will be triggered by the same fears, people will respond with the same emotion. So at the very end of the day, the one thing will be the same, I believe, will stay the same, is how people react to messages. But on top of that, because of the TikTok, we see that the attention span of people is just so low these days. For example, if you go on Apple Books or if you go on Kindle, you cannot read a book for more than like 11 minutes without checking your phone. You need to see the notification. You need to see what's happening on Instagram. You need to check out if you're on dating apps or if you have a new email, if you're applying for a job. And having all these things evolving together, I believe is gonna be much harder to reach people. So I believe in order to reach people, you need to have a very concise marketing message. You need to hit the marketing message right away because people don't have time. There is so much entertainment on social media. There is so much videos that people can watch on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. And this makes our job, the job of the marketers, very difficult. For example, if I have to create a video for YouTube, a video 10 years ago might get a lot of views, but today I need to be extremely good with the video editing, extremely good with the storytelling, which obviously I don't want to do. However, this is the point I would like to make, and I want to read a comment that I see here on Reddit. This guy says marketing today hasn't changed much from marketing from 100 years ago. The only thing that has changed is the medium. Social media instead of print, for example. So in 5 years' time, marketing will mostly be the same, but there might be a new social platform or AR VR that might be a thing. AI will play a bigger role, but only as an assistant. However, marketing fundamentals won't change. Marketing fundamentals will stay the same. That's why I advise you, if you want to be relevant to this game, focus on marketing fundamentals because marketing fundamentals will bring 80% of your results no matter how you look at it. What is a marketing fundamental? create a product that people want to buy, or find a product that people want to buy. Find a market that is hungry for this product. If you have these things aligned, marketing becomes very, very easy. It's very easy to sell a product to a person who wants to buy the product. And I truly believe that the harder the marketing becomes, this means the product is less desirable. If you have a desirable product, it will be very easy to sell this product, right? So think about it. Think about it. What will marketing look like in 5 years? I don't think marketing will look much different, to be honest with you. The only thing that will be different is how many platforms are we gonna have. And it also, there is another thing. Social media right now is not regulated. If it's regulated, it's like poorly regulated. Pretty much there are a lot of businesses that are regulated in terms of like how they operate and what products they sell. However, social media is so new that the government is not regulating social media in terms of like how much can you spend on social media, what content can you see on social media or in the internet in general. I don't think this will happen in the next 5 years, but I believe this will happen in the future, because as we all know, social media is driving people crazy. This is just the reality. Thank you for watching. My name is Niko. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I talk about Facebook ads mainly, but sometimes I get bored and make prediction videos. So yeah, this will be the video for today.